All right, welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Guys, we just smoked some of the best chicken thighs I've ever had. Teriyaki marinade. Meet me at the prepping table and we'll get started.
Okay guys, first things first, get this chicken out. And here's the deal, I'm not looking for perfection with this. All we're trying to do here is clean these guys off and take these real fatty pieces off. So okay, our chicken is fully prepped. Now it's time for the marinade. Let me show you how we do it. If you've never worked with ginger before, just do this with a spoon and peel it, just like so. Okay guys, here's our beautiful teriyaki marinade that we made from scratch. If you wanna know how to make this step by step, I did create a short and I titled it Teriyaki Marinade. You're gonna love this stuff. Let's get this over our chicken. All right, we got our chicken marinating in the bag. We're gonna set this thing in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. Let that flavor soak up and lock in, and then we'll get the smoker ready. Okay, so we're using our Smoky Mountain Weber smoker today. I've got a brand new chimney. We're just gonna use some good old-fashioned briquettes for that even heat, even cook. I'm gonna show you how we set it up right now. Okay guys, so for today I'm using just cherry wood, and the reason I'm not using hickory is because I've done it before with chicken thighs, and I feel like for my taste, the hickory kind of overpowers the chicken, but this right here, the cherry, it's a lot more milder, it's sweeter, it just complements that chicken very well. And listen, the color that this thing gives on a rack of ribs, which you're gonna see very soon, with that paprika rub, oh my gosh, that mahogany deep red color, cherry wood is the way to go. It's absolutely perfect. That's why we're using it. All right, next thing we're gonna do is get these things dried off. Just pat these guys down with a paper towel. Get it as dry as we can before we put it on the smoker. Okay, I just want to come around here and take a temp check. We should be at about the halfway point. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but we're looking 144, 145. Yeah, 138, so about the 140 range. So we still got a little bit of ways to go, but looking good. Oh my gosh. That is so tender. Holy cow. Low and slow with chicken thighs, y'all. Tenderness. You get that garlic, that ginger comes through so well, and the smoke is just perfect. Great balance, it does not overwhelm the chicken. If you enjoyed this cook as much as I did, make sure you hit that subscribe, hit that like button, follow for more content. We'll see you in the next video. Oh.